Okay, Lucas, imagine you are in a new country, no phone.
Wait, no phone? I would cry.
Yeah, me too. But like, you are lost. What are the two most important words you say?
Uh, Help me?
Good guess, but no. It is, I need.
I need? Like, just I need?
Yes, I need. Welcome to English Pod Center, everyone. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. And wait, Luna, why I need?
Because, like, think about it. If you are hungry,
I need food. Oh.
exactly. If you are hurt,
I need a doctor. Okay, I get it now.
yeah, so today we are talking about this. The problem is, people try to use big words.
Right, they say, can you please bring me a glass of water?
Yes, too long. It is like a heavy backpack.
A heavy backpack? What?
Yeah, long sentences are heavy. They make you tired. Just drop the bag.
Drop the bag. I like that. So just say, I need water.
Exactly. It is so fast.
But wait, Luna, is it rude? Rude?
Like angry?
Yeah, if I just say, I need water to a waiter.
Oh, well, yes. Your voice is important.
My voice? You mean like how I sound?
Yes, if you yell, it is bad.
I need water now.
Yeah, don't do that. The police will come.
So how do I say it nice? I mean nicely.
You just smile and maybe add please.
I need water, please.
Perfect. See? So easy.
Okay. But what if I want a coffee? Do I say I need coffee?
Good question, Lucas. Do you actually need it to live?
Yes, literally yes. I will die without coffee.
Okay, bad example. But no, you don't need it. You want it.
Oh, so need is for very, very important things.
Yes, like air, water, a doctor, sleep.
Sleep. Yes, I need sleep.
We all need sleep. But want is for fun things.
So I want cake, but I need food.
Yes, cake is fun. Food keeps you alive,
Wow, that is really clear.
right? People make English so hard, but it is just like blocks.
Blocks? Like toys?
Yeah, like toy blocks. You just put I and need and then the thing.
I plus need plus thing.
Yes, I need help.
I need a car.
I need money.
Always. Everyone needs money.
But wait, Lucas, there is another way to use it.
Another way? Oh no, you said it was simple.
It is. Don't panic.
I am panicking. My brain is small, Luna.
No, it's not. Listen, you can say, I need to.
I need to? What is the to for?
Action, doing things.
Oh, so I need to go?
Yes, go is an action.
Wait, this is actually making a lot of sense.
Right? See? I told you it is easy.
So, like, I need to sleep?
Perfect. Sleep is doing something. It's an action.
I need to eat pizza?
Always pizza with you, Lucas.
I mean, yeah, pizza is life. Wait, is eat the action?
Exactly. You need to eat.
Okay, wait, what about I need to water?
You mean like drink water?
Yeah, drink water.
Then you say, I need to drink water.
Oh, right, because drink is the action, yeah.
Yes, just think of a bridge.
A bridge? What?
Yeah, like think of two as a little bridge.
Wait, I don't get it.
Okay, look, you have I need, and then you have eat.
Mm-hmm.
They are far apart. They need a bridge to connect.
Oh, the bridge is two.
Exactly. I need, bridge, eat.
I need to eat. Wow, Luna, that is actually very smart.
Thanks. I try my best.
But wait, what if I just forget the bridge? I need eat.
Well, people will understand you,
Oh, good.
but it sounds like a caveman.
A caveman, like me need eat.
Exactly. You sound just like a caveman.
I don't want to be a caveman.
Then you must use the bridge.
Okay, I will use the bridge. I need to learn.
Yes, beautiful.
I need to study.
Yes, keep going.
I need to, buy a car.
Wow, big action. But yes, that is correct.
See, I am not a caveman anymore.
No, you are very smart now.
So let's play a quick game.
Oh, a game?
Yeah, I say a word and you make the sentence.
Okay, I am ready. Hit me.
Run.
I need to run.
Nice. Coffee.
Ah, trick question, Lucas.
Did I win?
Coffee is not an action.
Wait, it's not?
No, coffee is a thing, just like the apple from earlier.
Oh, now I got it.
So how do you say it?
Wait, no bridge?
No bridge.
I need coffee.
Yes, no two, just I need coffee.
Or wait, I need to drink coffee.
Yes, both are perfect.
Man, it's crazy sometimes.
It is, but it's a fun crazy, Lucas.
Fun for you, maybe. I mean, I just get so confused.
You just did it perfectly, though. I need coffee, or I need to drink coffee.
Right. So a thing has no to, an action has to.
Exactly. But wait, I hear a big mistake all the time.
Uh-oh, what is it?
People say, I need go.
I need go? Wait, that's wrong?
Yes, go is an action, right? A verb.
Oh, the bridge. It needs the bridge.
Yes, Lucas, you need the bridge.
So I need to go.
Boom, yes. You can't say I need sleep if sleep is the action. Wait, actually, sleep is tricky.
Oh no, why? Why is it tricky?
Because sleep can be a thing and an action.
What? Come on, Luna. You just said English was fun.
I know. Let me explain.
Okay, explain the tricky sleep thing.
So if it's the action, you say,
I need to sleep.
yes. But sometimes people use it as a thing, like, I need some sleep.
Oh, some sleep. That makes it a thing?
Exactly. But for beginners, just remember the action. I need to sleep.
Okay, I need to sleep. I need to eat. I need to watch TV.
Perfect. Watch is the action, so you use to.
Okay, I think I got it.
Good. Now, are you ready for a secret?
A secret? Like a grammar secret?
A speaking secret. How real people talk.
Oh, yes, I want to sound real. Tell me.
Okay, when Americans say need to, we talk very fast.
Yeah, you guys talk way too fast.
True, we don't say need to, we say needa.
Needa? Like one word? N-E-E-D-A?
Yes, just like that. I need to go.
Whoa, I need to go. That sounds really cool, actually.
Right? It sounds so natural.
Let me try. I need to eat.
Perfect.
I need to buy a new car.
Yes, see? It flows better.
But wait, Luna, can I use Nita with a thing?
Oh, good question. What do you think?
I need a coffee?
No.
No, why not?
Because needa means need to, and we don't put to before a thing.
Oh, right. The grumpy waiter, no bridge for things.
Exactly. You just say, I need coffee, not I need a coffee.
Wow, mind blown. So Nita is only for actions.
Yes, I need a sleep. I need a work.
Okay, that makes sense. Let's play a game.
Ooh, a game. I love games. What kind of game?
You give me a word and I make a sentence. Fast.
Oh, a rapid-fire challenge for the listeners, too. Listeners, play with us.
Yeah, you guys try to beat me.
Okay, first word. Ready, Lucas?
Born ready. Hit me.
The word is water.
Oh, easy. I need water. No bridge.
Yes, perfect, because water is a noun. No bridge, no to.
See? I told you I was ready. Next.
Okay, next word. Go.
Wait, you have to say the word first, Luna.
Oh, right. Sorry. Eat.
I need eat. Wait, no.
Aha, gotcha.
Dang it. I need to eat because eat is an action.
Exactly. Or if we talk really fast.
I need to eat.
Yes, you got it, Lucas. Listeners, did you get it?
They probably beat me. I forgot the bridge.
The bridge is so important for actions. You have to remember it.
Yeah, it connects. It connects the words, like real life.
Okay, another one. Let's try new phone.
I need a new phone. Noun.
Wow, too fast. Okay, study.
I need a study. Action.
You are on fire today.
It's like a game of tennis. Boom, boom.
Tennis. I like that. Okay, last one.
Make it hard, Luna. Try to trick me.
Oh, I will. The word is help.
Ooh, I need help. Wait,
Is it a noun or an action?
it's a noun here. I need help. No to.
Correct. But wait, can it be an action?
To help? Like, I need to help you?
Yes. Mind blown, right?
Whoa, so help can be both at the same time?
Yes, English is crazy sometimes.
That is crazy. So I can say I need help or I need to help.
Exactly. Both are perfect. Both are good.
Okay, I think I literally really get it now.
Good. Because now it is time for the homework.
Oh man, homework. We didn't talk about homework.
Just a small, fun homework for the listeners. Don't worry.
Okay, fine. What is it?
Listeners, I want you to think about your day today.
Yeah, what do you need right now?
Exactly, Lucas. Tell us one noun you need and one action you need.
Like, I need coffee and I need to run.
Perfect. Write it down in your notebook or tell a friend.
Or like, yell it out the window.
Maybe don't yell, but practice it. Say it out loud.
Practice makes perfect, right?
Always. So, Lucas, what do you need right now?
Honestly, I need a nap.
Me too. A very long nap.
A nap is a noun, so no bridge. Boom.
Look at you, a grammar master now.
Hey, I try. Luna, this was super fun.
It was. I really loved teaching this today.
Guys, if you liked this, you have to subscribe.
Yes, please follow us. We are here every week.
Subscribe to English Pod Center right now. Don't wait.
We have so many more fun lessons coming for you.
I need to sleep now. See that? Action.
Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for listening to English Pod Center.
See you next time. Bye.